Derek, just thought I'd give you a quick rundown on something. So, this is an example website. It's a CMS website, and the version is 1.4. So, the idea is to exploit this and try to get to the back end. So, remember, this is the front end website, but we want to get to the back end and try get into the database. So, pretty much what I've got here, just type in Google Fuel 1.4 exploit, which will be from this website here, exploit database. So what it tells you is it's based on this CVE, which is 2018, any vulnerabilities. So all you do is download this code, change the IP address in here, and what it's going to do is the exploit will give you a raw command prompt once you run it. So I'll show you here. So this is the exploit. So if I just run this, I get my command prompt. So in here, all I do is like run commands, for example, in quotes, pwd, which would be print working directory on the current server. So I've already added the server IP address into this file here. So you just scroll up and it shows me that the current working directory is the var www html location. So what I want to do is set up a listener. So when I do a command to get a reverse shell onto this, it'll appear down here. So another command will be what is the IP address for the server, which will be this here, 89.89. So this is the challenge here called ignite. So I'll scroll up and it'll tell me it's done a ping, and that's the IP address it's given there. So the command, what we want to do is a bit more complicated. So I've got it wrote down here. So I'll just copy and paste this into here. And you should see it down here. I've got a connection to the server, to the website backend. So I'll go pwd print working directory, which I showed you earlier, var www html. And that just makes it a bit neater. So that's a quick example of how like getting reverse shells into the back end of servers. So the idea here is to go to the home directory of this user. The user is called www.data. And that's the goal there, flag. So to open that, that's the flag. So you can see here, user flag, that's for the user, and then you got to get to the root, which is exploiting it even more. So to exploit that even more, what you do would be on the website itself. It's a bit more complicated, but we'll cut it here.